for a very
If you're gonna watch, keep it quiet.
special occasion.
Supreme wants to talk.
It is imperative that we reestablish sanity and supremacy before it is too late. Our numbers are waning, thanks to the fools in Congress and their ludicrous ideas.
Damn! Hell with it.
But today, we grow one stronger as we anoint a new brother into a sacred cause. Please step forward and kneel. Do you choose to accept the light?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, here we go.
Yeah!
Very much. All right.
Let the eternal light shine bright. Somebody wait! Where y'all going? Come back! Come back! You there. You just stood and want some... Goddamn hooded rodents. I'll kill all you bastards. All right, girl. Yeah. Yep. Come on, girl. Easy, girl. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, stop right where you are. He's dead.
okay, girl. Yeah. Yep. Come on now. Who's there? It's me, Arthur. Yeah. Hey, get up.
What do you want?
You going to get up?
Well, what is it?
Morning,
Morning, Arthur. Screw you.
John.
Let's get on.
Good. And you?
Got everything we need.
Good. I think we need another man. Charles?
I'll go get him. Meet us at the wagon when you can.
Sure.
See, Arthur? Ain't that dumb.
Next time, let the wolves eat all your brain. Then you'll be a genius.
Who did you call a goddamn drunkard? So shit.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, Arthur. Come here a minute.
What is it?
Can I ask you a favor?
Probably not.
Very funny. Would you do something with Jack? He seems kind of down. All this upheaval can't have been easy on the poor kid.
Why? Because I'm your preferred nursemaid?
Because he likes you, and, well, you know his father's useless.
Okay.
Thank you.
What you up to?
Playing,
Anything fun?
I guess.
You want to come fishing with me?
Fishing?
Sure. You're... It's about time that you started to earn your keep.
Okay,
Good. Let's go get your pole then. Now, you do have a fishing pole, don't you?
I sure do. Uncle Jose made me one.
Good. Well, let's go get it then. Go catch us some fish.
Yeah.
Come on, girl. Hold on tight.
So, where are we going?
Just down to the river near here. You shouldn't go too far from camp.
Oh, okay.
You feeling better? I know you was a little sick.
Oh, I'm fine.
You're a brave kid.
So, just like you.
Well, I don't know about brave. I ain't much of a kid no more. So your mama might disagree. Her and a few other women, I guess.
What do you mean?
I'm just talking silly. Been a tough few weeks up in that snow.
I like the snow.
Yes, but not like that.
When are we going back to the other camp?
The one near Blackwater?
Yeah.
Well, we're not. This is our spot. For now, anyway. Why?
Forgot a storybook there. We left so quick.
Well, I'm sure someone can get you another storybook.
Really? When?
Well, we'll see. Got fish to catch first. All right? This looks as good a spot as any.
Where should we stand, Uncle Arthur?
Down by the shore. Come on, follow me. Now first, we need some bait. I'm gonna use some cheese.
Cheese?
Bellier the better. Now, cast your line. Swing the rod back over your shoulder and bring it forward in a smooth motion. Use your wrist, not your elbow.
Like that?
That's it. Good. All we do now, Jack, is wait for a fish to take the bait.
How do I know when I've got a bite?
Well, if you feel the tip of your fishing rod just twitching, don't yank it yet. That just means one's nibbling. If you feel a hard tug, that's a fish going for the bait, so yank hard to hook it.
This is a great fishing spot.
Don't jinx it, kid.
I think you've got a bite. Look!
Fish on the line.
Pull him in!
You see him fighting there, Jack? That's when you gotta be careful. You'll break the line. Best to wear him out first before you try to reel him in. Look, Jack, it's a bluegill. It's almost as small as you. We should really throw the smaller ones back. Give them a chance to grow up a bit.
Can I take a break from fishing? I want to make something.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick some of those red flowers. I'll be right back.
There we go. Well, seems like he's taking a rest now. I'm gonna try reeling them in nice and steady. This one's a rock bass. Not bad. Now, let's try again. You gotta stick at things, Jack.
I know. Fishing sure is boring, Uncle Arthur.
I know. Boring as hell. But then, something happens. And you can get food for days.
Really?
If you're lucky. But until then, you just sit, wait, try not to worry. It's good for you,
It's good for you?
I guess.
Huh. Hey, look at this.
And what?
This necklace I made.
Necklace?
For Mama.
Sure.
What a fine young man. And in such complex circumstances. Arthur, isn't it? Arthur Morgan?
Who are you?
Yes, Arthur Morgan. Vanderlyn's most trusted associate. You've read the files. Typical case. Orphaned street kid seduced by that maniac's silver tongue and matures into a degenerate murderer. Agent Milton? Agent Ross. Pinkerton Detective Agency, seconded to the United States government. Nice to finally meet. We know a lot about you.
Do you?
You're a wanted man, Mr. Morgan. There's $5,000 for your head alone.
$5,000? For me? Can I turn myself in?
We want Vanderlyn.
Old Dutch. I haven't seen him for months.
That's so. Because I heard a guy fitting his description robbed a train belonging to Leviticus Cornwall up near Granite Pass.
Oh, ain't that a little old-fashioned nowadays?
Apparently not. Listen. This is my offer, Mr. Morgan. Bring in Vanderlyn, and you have my word you won't swing.
Oh, I ain't gonna swing anyways, Agent,
Milton.
You see, I haven't done anything wrong, aside from not playing the games to your rules.
Spare me the philosophy lesson. I've already heard it from Mac Callender.
Matt Callender.
He was pretty shot up by the time I got to him. So really, it was more of a mercy killing. Slow, but merciful.
You enjoy being a rich man's toy, dear.
I enjoy society, flaws and all. You people venerate savagery, and you will die. Savagely, all of you.
Oh, we're all gonna die, Agent.
Some of us sooner than others. Good day, Mr. Morgan.
Goodbye.
Enjoy your fishing, kid, while you still can.
Who are they?
No one to worry about, no one at all. Come on, let's pick up your things and get home. It's getting late, Jack. Your mother would be worried. Let's head back.
Why did you lie about where Uncle Dutch is?
Because, well, because those are disagreeable men, and I don't want them to hurt him.
What did they mean about Mac? Is he in jail?
No, I don't think so. I hope he's just fine where he is. Like I said, don't worry about them. The world is full of disagreeable men. That's why you got all of us, to protect you. Folk like them. Now, how about that necklace you made? You still got it, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Good. Did you like fishing?
It was okay, I think. It's a lot of waiting around.
It is.
There you are. How you boys getting on?
Great! We caught a fish, and I made you this necklace.
Ain't that pretty? Ain't I the luckiest? Did you thank Uncle Arthur?
No need. We had a good time.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Just met some folk. I better go speak with Dutch.
Okay.
Hey, you did real fine, kid.
Thanks.
We got a problem.
What?
I just met some guys out near the river. A fella named, Milton, and, I don't remember the other fella's name. Ross. Milton and Ross. And they are employees of the Pinkerton Detective Agency. And they know about the train, and they know we're here.
Were you followed back here?
No, they know we're near here. And they want you, Dutch. They offered me my freedom in exchange, they did.
Why didn't you take it?
Very funny. Well, what do we do now?
I say we do nothing. Just yet. They're just trying to scare us into doing something stupid. We have turned a corner. We survived them mountains. We just need to stay calm.
Let's go, girl. Hey there.
Morning, Arthur.
Yeah.
Quit moving around!
Yep. Hey, move it! Yep.
Whoa!
Please, quick! You gotta get this off me. I'm going numb. Keep at it. It's getting loose. Oh, oh, God, you did it. Praise Jesus. Oh, God. I gotta grab something for the blood. Thank you. Oh, I was done for. You saved me. Thank you. Take something from my bag for the trouble. I'm gonna take a minute now. My leg feels like it's on fire. Yeah.
Hey, Arthur. Good to see you.
Why? You want rescuing again, do you?
No. I got a plan to make it up to you.
Oh, a plan like the Blackwater ferry job, or like you going off scouting and ending up in jail?
Dutch said you was a big shadow cast by a tiny tree.
I don't even know what that means.
I thought you was a tough boy. Not one of those gentlemen trying to protect his riding clothes.
I just know whenever things get real, you turn yellow, lose your head.
Yellow.
Sure seems that way.
So I guess you won't be riding with me to rob the banking coach comes about this time into Strawberry. I heard one of the O'Driscoll boys yapping about it while I was inside.
You and me? Do a robbery?
That's what I said, didn't I?
After you.
Come on. I know an overlook where we can watch for them coming in.
Come on, girl. What are you doing anyway, camping out here like some crazy hermit?
Can't exactly stay in town now, can I? And like I told you, I ain't going back to Dutch without a peace offering.
So what's the deal with this coach?
What do you mean? Comes through about this time every day, like I said, the end.
I mean, how many men? Guns? Riders?
Nothing serious. You'll be fine.
I heard the bank's been hiring every trigger man they can get of late. The meaner, the better.
You worry too much.
Forgive me if I ain't wholly faithful in something an O'Driscoll told you when you was half drunk in a jail cell.
He kept yapping about it, saying how they've been hitting it up the regular. That's a good lead in my book.
Damn O'Driscolls are everywhere now.
Bastards got a hold of most of Big Valley. Heard they took over some big ranch north of here.
How the hell you and Lenny end up down here, anyway?
Oh, you know how it is? Few loose ends. Drink here, drink there.
What loose ends?
Nothing that needs to concern you. I always pay my share.
It concerns me when you put us in danger and we don't realize till it's too late. Like that move you pulled in Strawberry. Making me kill half the town just for your precious guns.
Precious they are. You need to roll a little looser, Morgan.
Looser? I seen you come full undone more than once now, and you only been running with us a few months.
Are we gonna rob this coach or bicker about it? What's done is done.
Guess we're robbing it.
Then let's do it. All right, this is the spot. Hold up on this ridge. Oh! They should be here in a little bit. Hold tight.
Which way will they be coming in?
Should be from over there. We need to hit them fast before they get into town.
Just don't lose your head this time.
Of course, tough guy. They should be here any minute. Look, there they are. Right on time. Get covered up. Come on! Ride! Yeah! This out of here. No need to keep your face covered now. It's just you and me. Sweet. I'll give it to them. They put up half a fight at least. Yeah! Baylock! Come on, boy! Here. Fine new rifle, too. Here you go, Arthur. From me to you. That's more your style than mine. What did I tell you? Like licking butter off a knife.
Something like that. You don't want to just break it open here, be done with it?
Could be more than we can carry. And there might be a second crew of riders tailing.
All right, then.
Not to mention, we ride back in with a big take and a new wagon to boot. Dutch can't say we ain't pulling our weight no more, can he?
I ain't sure I trust this new act of yours one bit.
Listen, I know we got off on the wrong foot, but I got no beef with you. I reckon we're a lot alike, you and me.
Now, hold up there.
Dutch knows I'm a feller that gets things done, same as you.
Gets things done. You'd be wearing a California collar now if I hadn't broken you out of jail.
And I have expressed my gratitude, have I not? It's done. Main thing now is getting this haul back in one piece.
is, every job I do with you ends in a pile of dead bodies.
Since when did you have a problem killing O'Driscolls?
You've got a point.
Hey, give me a hand with this, will you? Let's just finish this and get out of here. Let's strip this coach, then. It clearly ain't going nowhere now. You know, we should really pick up a lock breaker one of these days. Save ourselves some bullets.
Yeah, because saving bullets is such a concern of yours.
What the hell are you doing? Get over here! Let's take what we can and get the hell out of here. That lock should shoot off easy enough. I'll give you the honors. On account of... this little mess. Just thought you'd want the honors. Come on, I'm happy to do it myself. I'm done wasting my breath on you. That should do it.
Come on, let's see if all this was worth it.
All I see is you, me, a river full of dead O'Driscolls, and a lockbox. I'd say we're golden here, Morgan. Look at that. What's the cut here?
It's good. Just make sure the gang gets its piece.
Yeah. Like I said, big shadow, tiny tree.
And like I said, that still don't mean nothing. Now, get out of here. Go see Dutch. Make sure you ain't followed.
I know, boss. I know. It's been fun.
Yep. Yep. Okay there. Yep.
I hope you ain't looking for gold, partner. I ain't seen so much as a fleck round here. Hey, give me some goddamn space here, will you? this country and you bump into me? Help! Help! They cut me loose!
So, what you got for me?
Dang it! Don't do nothing.
Here we go. Out of the way! Nice meeting you. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Hey there, mister.
Stubborn old fool.
Appreciate you stepping in there. Those bastards been turning the screw on me from day one, saying I gotta pay them protection money. I told them where to stick it. Well, I guess you just saw how that panned out.
Girl. You watch yourself, all right?
Worst idea I've ever had.
We're with you on that.
Stay out of trouble.
I'll try. Well, I'm sure you got things to do.
Yeah. Hi there, mister. Hey, mister.
Morning, brother.
Hey, partner. Hey there.
Morning. Morning.
Strange how you never get over someone trying to kill you. Well, I'm still here. I'm happy to stable that for you. Yep, that's a good breed there. I got one of them myself. Always good to have one of those. That's a nice addition on a saddle. Adding on to a saddle helps personalize it. I got one of them myself. Always good to have one of those. That'll make your horse happy. Few careful trims and this horse will look just fine. Little fine grooming always sets off a horse.
How you holding up?
Getting robbed, mister. Give me everything you got.
You better quit this nonsense before it catches up to you. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that, all right? I won't take much more of this.
Hey there, mister.
Sucker.
What's your goddamn problem?
Hey, partner.
Get your news here, Valentine.
I won't buy it. I want to talk to you.
Hey.
Wallace, this here's the kind soul I was telling you about.
The one that, got the venom out of your leg?
Guess so.
Listen, friend, I know I can never repay you, but
Hand over to Zach.
how about you head over to the gunsmith and pick out your choice of item on my tab?
Oh, well, thanks.
Yeah, seemed like the least I could do. With him being sent straight from the Almighty to save my life.
Mister?
Yeah, the Almighty.
Hey, partner.
Always a doubter you are.
I'm a man of this world,
Hey there.
not the next one. Anyway.
Okay.
See ya.
Hey there, partner.
Hey, what can I do for you?
Fella outside told me I could grab something on his tab. One with the bite in his leg.
Ah, Norbert, huh? Well, he's good for it. About all he's good for between the two of us. Well, take a look around. Find something you like, I'll put it on his tab. Fine choice. I'll let him know. Bye now. Oh, wait. You're that fellow who had to fight with Tommy outside of Smithfield's?
Yep.
People are still talking about that fight.
I ain't.
Fair enough. Neither's Tommy. Anyway, how can I help you today?
Here, Robert's too sick to work again, but folks said they seen him arrested.
So I hear.
Damn near broke my finger putting a fella in line last night. Some jaws.
Go ahead. Well, all right.
Wait, you can't be there. Come on.
Hey, let's rein it in.
What is this all about? Well, all right then. Goddamn, just leave. Immediately.
You should calm down, partner.
No service from me. Just leave.
I said leave. Now don't make me force you.
Relax, friend.
All right.
Hey, partner.
Howdy. Hello, gentlemen.
Howdy.
Hey, y'all.
Howdy.
You seem full of joys of spring, miss.
Thank you.
Okay there?
I'm surprised you
Hello,
show that
sirs.
face around here.
You ain't welcome in Valentine, you bastard.
Howdy. Hey, friend.
People still hurting around here, you know? Little shit.
I ain't looking for trouble, I assure you.
How you do?
On the straight and narrow. Watch where you walk.
Didn't mean nothing by it.
You want trouble with me? Things going okay?
Hello, welcome.
Got a whooping coming. I hope you know.
You arrange a bath, I need a wash.
I got someone warming it up for you already. Just head down the corridor there.
How'd you like some help in here?
Sure, sounds good.
Just relax. I'll take care of you. Let me know if I'm scrubbing too hard, okay? You'll leave this place feeling brand new, you know.
You must get some bad men in here.
That's how it goes around here.
I do not like getting older.
Yes, I know.
I was nearly married once. She never bathed me.
Oh, I'm not sure what to make of that. Doesn't get much better than this, right?
All right, I think I'm good.
Okay. Maybe we'll cross paths again.
You know, the girls from the saloon stopped through here. See you soon.
Well, good luck to you.
Bye
Hey, mister.
now. Hello.
Hey there, partner.
Why'd you come back here?
What the hell?
Hey there, mister. Hello, mister.
Hey, fellas. Whole
Hey there.
damn lot of you.
What'd you forget to do last time?
Real beautiful country around this area.
So, what are you having? That a fact? Ooh, that Jenny's like honey for flies. Wonder how many men proposed to her this week.
Oh, no. How many Redskins killed? But they deserved it.
Here he is.
They weren't
Couldn't trust
Christians.
him with your dog.
So I sent them
Me?
to
No,
hell.
no.
They should have thanked
Sorry,
me.
you must have me confused.
All you fools should thank me.
Partner, good to see you. All right, what can I do for you?
Ain't no Wild West no more around here. Ain't nothing nice. Just more goddamn America. More goddamn shops. More goddamn prissy women in men's
Well, ain't
clothing
that a damn thing?
and women in women's clothing thinking they must be men. My old Bessie, she could skin a bear with her teeth, so help me God. Look at you. Y'all make a fella sick. Hey, Fern! You're a weed, Fern, and everyone knows it.
Here we go again.
What's wrong with you fools? Well, look at y'all. Look at you. My time, men was goddamn men. You ain't men, the whole lot of you. Look at you. You ain't men. You ain't even women. You're something else. You're revolting.
Thank you for your help.
Revolted. I'm
Just
tempted
get
to
out of my way.
Gouge my eyes out just for the fact that they
Howdy.
saw you.
I'm not gonna take kindly on you
I
raising hell around
wouldn't
here.
do you the dignity of pissing on you. None of you.
Hey, be careful.
Oh, God, I can't believe
sorry.
that this dump is
Horse's
coming.
ass is what you are. Watch it. Oh, I don't need this.
Shit! For the love of God, hell!
This here's none of my concern.
You son of a bitch.
Damn drunken... Wait, my spot ain't no place for this nonsense. Quit it! All right.
Get up. Why don't you mind your manners, partner?
Shit!
All right,
For the
then.
love of God!
This what you want?
Don't fret. The law's in charge now.
You stay away! You hear me?
Watch yourself. Get out of my way.
You low down, son, bitch. Hey, partner.
Look out! Damn way.
Law's here now. Clear out.
What is wrong with you?
There's the son of a gun! Now wait a minute. You stop, goddammit! The law says so. It's him! Shoot him, damn it!
Do that, folks.
How about you?
Just waiting for you to learn how to shoot. God damn it! Yeah. Look out! Here.
Ain't you done enough to hurt us? Leave us the hell alone.
Well, I guess you're still carrying that grudge, huh?
Are you listening to me? You ain't welcome here.
Easy there, friend.
Go away. Hey, what are you doing? What is with you? That's better. I won't tell you again. Hey, you're doing?
Here. All right, girl. Hi there, mister.
get back there and...
Sheriff, get over here! You did the right thing. I'll have men on it right away.
You son of a bitch!
All right.
Watch where you're going.
Apologies.
That attitude is gonna get you in trouble one day.
Oh, boy. Gentlemen. Hi, folks.
Hey there.
Hello, sir.
Time for a trip?
Howdy. Sorry. Can't put my finger on it.
All right.
Hey there, folks. Howdy, fellas. Nice to see some friendly faces around here. Anyway, folks, please don't mind me.
Goodbye.
How's it going with you? Hey, mister. Hey, friend. Hey there.
What'd you forget to do last time?
Mister?
Imbecile! I hope you learned your lesson.
Hey! Moron!
That's the last straw! Can't wait to kill you! Son of a bitch!
Sure wasn't ready for that.
Who's talking now? Huh?
God, Jesus!
Hey there!
How about somebody else?
Hey, move it! Calm down.
Shame. I was looking forward to
I'm gonna enjoy robbing you, tough guy. Hand it
Gonna
over.
enjoy beating
Let's
you.
see about this.
We're ready for this.
Ah!
Oh, God, no! This ain't good.
Now get in there.
You stay away from me. Take this!
There, retreat! He'll be waiting for you at the gates of hell, you piece of shit!
Damn it!
You a beautiful guy, you in the wrong
Please don't kill me. Put it down, just put it down. Waste of time getting into it anyway. Leave me alone already. Okay. All right, I'm leaving. Why would you do that? Oh my God, no! Oh God, this ain't for me. No, stop! Damn it! What is this?
Should have moved.
Help! Somebody help me!
They caught Jenny going pitching apples from the county store.
Stay out of my way.
Oh no! Oh no, no, no! No, please don't. What the hell?
Sorry about that.
Oh, heck no.
Hey! Out of the way!
Damn it!
Wouldn't have believed it if I hadn't.
Ah, shit.
Excuse me, partner.
Hey, what do you think you're doing
Oh, you should see yourself. Got yourself into a hell of a state.
Hey!
I'm only joking with you. You're getting robbed, mister. Give me everything you got.
Listen good. Walk.
Now, damn it.
You're not getting anything.
Now, come on.
Help! Someone help! Oh my God! Oh!
I need to... Wait a minute!
We need the law over here.
Welcome, welcome. Come on in.
Hell no!
Hey, now.
Hey, away from me!
Move! Hey, this is mine. Yeah. Get in. Yep. God damn!
My God!
How about I send you south?
Yep.
Next time I'll blow out your lamp.